What's going on, guys and gals? My name is William Clark, and welcome to some Animal Crossing again. I figured, because why not? Let's do it. Welcome to day 4. Damn kids. Alright, let's go. Hurry up. Oh, wait. Fuck you. Don't give me that black line. I'll fuck you up. Yeah, I have to fucking alter settings. January 4th at 4:12 actually. Actually, I'm recording at a fucking decent time. My other Kindle keeps turning on, and I hate. Stop turning on, dumbass. Psh, yeah, my Kindle keeps turning on for no reason. My other Kindle, not this one. Oh yeah, you will get mail from time to time. Open up the damn motherfucker. Home. Free fossil identification program. Sapling. Wait, what? Also, it appears it might be like 6 fossils at once. Take good care of the sapling I grew for you. I'll bring you fortune. I don't know what'll happen if you treat it like that tree you didn't water. Well, fuck you then, asshole. I don't need you telling me how to grow trees. Oh. Sell it. Alright, so now I have more time to explore the world and do whatever the fuck you want here. So see, look at this. Great timing. Now! Arrange things with a flair like Rarity would want. Yeah. Sure. Fuck you. Don't tell me how to do my job. Classic painting. I'm gonna purposefully fucking sell that too. Oh, I don't need that net right now. It's the fucking winter. You don't need that shit. Old flooring. Yay! Raffle tickets for days, guys and gals. Cabin wall. Alright, I like it. Give it to me. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me! Give it to me, motherfucker! Give it to me! Okay. So now we got that out of the way, what is that? Mystic paper. Not like I will use a paper anyway. I forgot exactly the pricing amounts for how much money you need to basically expand Tom Nook's store. But what I do know is, okay, it's decent. Alright. Oh! 1,104 bells. Yeah, I don't really need that. I don't need shirts and pants. Alright, so just don't give a shit. No, I'm going back in. Stop it. Yeah. I just walked in, walked out. Potato, vagina. Alright, now there's something else that I forgot to do in the last part. Fuck you. I know I'm not doing what I said I want to do, but fuck it. Come on, you little dumb fuck. We got a melon chair. A what? The hell's a vaulting horse? What the fuck are you talking about, game? You talking shit? I'll talk shit about your mother's cock. Alright. So... That was I don't fucking know. I don't even care what that was. That was just me on like a fucking idiot. Therefore, that makes shit completely right. Because I don't know. I have no logic. Logic is for pussies. Alright, so... Okay... Where the fuck is it? Yeah, I'm leaving shit there, cause why the fuck not? Leaving all this shit here. Alright, so here's where I want to go. The Able Sisters. What this does... Oh yeah, famous fashion designer, just like my sister Rarity would want. Alright, okay, so I can design a pattern if you want. 350 bells for materials. That's fine! So today we are going to be getting a blank. Wait. Fucking little shit. Alright, let's do... Fuck. Oh shit! Oh shit! Alright, no. It was pink before! It was pink before! Hey! Fluttershy color pink. Alright, now I just need some yellow, like half of it. Actually, no. No. Okay, half is gonna be pink. Actually, no. Can I redo? Alright. No! Alright, so that's supposed to be an F. Okay. Hey, it's a 5% an S. 5S. It's a fucking phone. Dumbass. You're dead. What the fuck did I just do? I don't know. I don't care what I just did, Daddy. Shut the fuck up. Fuck you. Fuck you. Go back. You know what? Fuck it. Fuck! Okay, it's worse on the DS. I will give it that. It's way worse on the DS. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, double fuck you, triple fuck you, quadruple fuck you. Sextuple fuck you. Damn it, I fucked that up. Alright, so... Fuck! That doesn't even look like a fucking F. Son of a dildo eater. There's that. Fuck it, that's as fucking... That's as yellow as it's gonna get. Eee! Alright, so around half. Now, buckadoodle, fuck. I'm gonna yell dildo in about a minute. You won't like it when I yell dildo. But then again, you might, because I might turn you on. I'm about to sprout kids out my ass. I hope kids fucking realize back in my day, this is what we had for entertainment. F! How do you say shit? Shit. Is that an ass or what the fucking hell is it? It's a fucking five with a boner. How does Rarity do this? Ass! You know, I'm just going to yell devil boner. Devil boner! There we go. Is that an S? Yeah, that's a 5, isn't it? This is worse than Minecraft! Ugh! Like, that looks like fucking... fucking Atari 2600 graphics. That looks like Minecraft graphics. Weird. I don't know how the fuck that happens, but... it happens, man. It happens. I'm not good at typing letters and shit. If I could, it'd be like yay and squee. I'll put a squee in there, because... why not? Sure. I'm calling it the Fluttershy. Yes, it was worth it. Also, you can buy... where the hell are the clothes at? Oh, that's other games you can buy clothes. I want it. The Avant-Garde. Yum, 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 yum. Sure. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I like that one. The square pattern. I want that square. I'm gonna shove it up my ass. Alright. Giggity giggity. I'm crazy, I know. So, who the fuck are you? Sisters these days. I'm too busy right now. I'm gonna keep pestering you until I'm gonna keep fucking pestering you until something happens. How about you? What do you gotta say? What's this? Brand name clothing is nice, but wouldn't you just love to have to wear outfits you designed? Yeah. Rarity did it. Hey, tips. Yay, cutting edge. Oh, original ideas. So it could be like PewDiePie. Oh wait, PewDiePie has no original ideas. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'm getting it. I just fast forwarded. through that shit because you know what? You know, fucking what? Can I see it? Wait. What the dick? It doesn't look like it. Can I fucking... Yeah. It looks like it's fine. It looks like FS. It looks like fucking Fluttershy. Ass. Fuck it, I'm wasting all my money. Alright, so can I... Doesn't even look like it. It doesn't look like it. You fuckers. You're telling me it's supposed to look like fucking Fluttershy, but it doesn't. It doesn't look like the fuzzball we all know and love. Or for some people, in love. Because you people are insane. I don't care. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you could also see that right there. 1,000 bells, guys and gals. Look at that shit. I got all of my money back. Nah, I'm just fucking around. I probably did. I don't know. What did I get? I fucking lost my fucking mind, people. I fuck more than the average human. Because I'm not human. I don't claim to be human because humans are stupid. Humans are not humans. They are just farts in a can. Aren't we all fart? Okay. Let me tell you. Do you have Prince Albert in a can? If so, you better let the poor guy out. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. I'm fucking telling you. I'm fucking telling you. What am I telling you? Who the fuck are you? Yeah. You should be offended. Human. Well, gorilla thing. Whatever the fuck you are. You're human. I'm human. I'm not human. I don't have a nutsack. What am I talking about again? I'm losing it. Don't you talk to me while I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to do something of the utmost importance. Fuck-a-doodle shit. That's what I'm trying to do. Hey! Hey! Get! Okay, you got your asshole lucky, you mutt. I don't know what the hell you are, but you're something. So, it's come to my attention. You people want to see some shit. Fuck-a-doodle ballsack blowjobs. No! I'm gonna fart all over you. Oh, I'm gonna fart on your head. Yes! 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 Ah! Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This happens in every single game, by the way. So yeah. So if you get Wild World and all that good shit, yes. 1,000. 10,000. Let's make money, bitches. Bow chicka bow wow. Boing. In case you people are wondering, I'm a nerd. What kind of nerd am I? The kind that'll kick your ass. You see that? I'm smacking random things with my asshole. because I have no life, and therefore... Anyways, guys and gals, that's it for this video. If I want to get this uploaded today, it's gonna be fucking done for the video. But if you like this video, give this video a like. I know I said I wasn't gonna do this, but I'm just gonna do it one last time because I love saying this. If you like this video, give this video a like if it's fun too. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts on the whole damn thing. I'm trying to find some weird shit here. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon down below to get notified of my future uploads and live streams, whatever the fuck else that I do. And as always, let's go to a random place and fucking save. I will see you all into the next video. What a pain. At least you know what you're talking about. Peace out, people. And Brohoof. Boom! Finally, I'm done. Nintendo. Crossing of Animals.